Good evening. I'm Jamison Euler.
And I'm Wendy Ryan. Thanks for joining us. The House just approving the bill within the last 45 minutes. Our Alex Hobson is digging into the details of the legislation to find out exactly what it all means.
He joins us live in our satellite center with more. Alex?
Well, after 16 days of a partial government shutdown, a deal was finally struck to avoid the midnight deadline of debt default. Now, we watched as it was first approved in the Senate, but the deal hinged on the House vote, which finally came around 10:15 tonight. They ended up approving the legislation with a vote of 285 to 144. Now, conservative Republicans had originally fought to include a portion in the bill to defund the Affordable Care Act. But after weeks of a bitter stalemate, a compromise was reached. Shortly after the Senate vote, President Barack Obama praised lawmakers and vowed to get things back up and running as soon as possible.
I want to thank the leaders of both parties for getting us to this point. Once this agreement arrives on my desk, I will sign it immediately. We'll begin reopening our government immediately.
The final deal worked out by Senate leaders extends current spending levels until January 15th. It also raises the federal borrowing limit until February 7th. Another provision requiring the government to confirm the eligibility of people receiving federal subsidies under Obamacare was labeled by both Democrats and the White House as minor. Now, some of the 800,000 furloughed federal workers could also get back to work soon. Now, this bill is headed to the president's desk for a signature. Reporting live in the Satellite Center, I'm Alex Hobson with ABC Action News.